Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and every child's potential. At Lucky Star, child enjoys modern computer of excellence.
Chinsa Isano na Ibere cherit kirigere Jumaine tariki 2 mutenye 11 mwaka bw'ekiro 2025 Ekeonga asenchira yobwenge Vanessa Nyaboga kurasa umuntu abo imanyeriro njenga Catherine Nyaboga kabana intuguika omwero ikati yamba MC korwa county ya Kisii bakora wanere boss Mairura we ward ya Masimba Thomas Yobare we ward ya Basibutangare na boigo Nicodemus Mwamba we ward ya Bochburabo ni goba kiriyo boba bwabo magega y'ekigari cyabo gusagano n'abantu batamanyiri isko y'amagacho y'ebunge ye county ya Kisii bagukwana n'abariki bamangana nigo baragire osiniko bagikire gitambukire kyo nabo igokoreka koba ekiage siasa asebono mukonyi w'umugabana we county ya Kisii Moske Elijah Hubebo nabo igo omonogeri we bunge yu Moske Dr. Philip Nyanumba no OCBD Musa Omar nigo baikirana sayo na kobaine kirabuna obotuki kocha gokorobore erio bari abanyare gokora ebibebyo banyare kubekwa byara.
We've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly and in Kisii County at large. What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But I want to say that that's an act of cowardice. I have said before that I'm one person who doesn't fear anything. And I want to say,
and then Omwamba Nikarema so watch. Nalenga assembly got the Bunegariane, the motive I don't know. But because I'm here and the security agency, they have come, they have promised to dig out and know what is the motive. The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Chiborabu, and I've been championing for my people to get the development, which is not there. Anytime I put something on development, it's being removed, and it's being removed from executive. So if it's the executive targeting me, my God above will target them first. And I know that. I know the God I believe, even if this is political, but the God I believe, you will receive the result very soon.
That's all Ibere and Mwamba. I just want to call this matter Nyaboga. This is cowardice of the highest court, and some of us we are not scared. But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives because the security agents, HSCs, have been here and have made a statement. We want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive. Asante. Thank you.
To the people who did this, I know and I've been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game. And I want to ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act.
Togo Skabusio ekiombe kira kiogotuka chimbwa n'obosarigia Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC nigo kiamubigete byara omworokia bw'eskuru ya Kihipit Kisii kubwatikana n'obukurumi korengana n'ekiombe ekyo omworokia oyo nigabereka gosaba chibesa korwase aborokiwa erigwetia ariko baetia amatemwa nabo igo koyeira bali batamanyeti ase chibesa wekira bono nigo ekage nigo abakagire abo bayabwatire chimillion chinyinge ase account chabo anemono ase babeire bagotumekane bachinamba gusichilaini chesimu. Magiga yebikaro emirongo na bitano bitatu bya jukwaa la usalama kwera angemeti yenye Ibere yaitre nigo imambiri tukoria rero orobotirwe bikare byo rwachake wabene ase nyumba yobora ya State House omochi o Nairobi no moyiga okirano no muraiwensi Dr. William Samuel Ruto omokonya ye Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki mwaziri boborendi waime Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen na bawaziri bande na boigo abagambi na bakonyi babagambi kurwa Chinsa Chonsi emergency ya Kenya.
And Your Excellency, in 3, 2, 1, and the launch of the report. Ndio hiyo basi jukwaa la usalama report. After extensive collaboration and interaction with the people on the ground, we now have the report ready. Your Excellency, just as a sample, allow me to also invite a few who are going to receive while you're still there. So we had 48 Jukwaa la Usalama Forum. Thanks to your leadership and guidance, I now have the privilege of having spoken, sat, listened to chiefs, assistant chiefs, village elders, OCSs in every part of our country, Your Excellency, including in Mandera, where we held 2 meetings, one in Mandera town and another one in Elwak. And it was a great privilege to sit and listen to the voices of these people. Your Excellency, when I told these leaders that this was not a talk show, the President was waiting for a report, an update. Mr. President, you have validated what I said by inviting them here and by what you are going to tell them in this particular day.
I want, in a very special way, to thank my successor in the ministry, CS Murkomen, and the team for implementing a wonderful Jukwaa la Usalama program. And again, Mr. President, without your support, the ministry would not have had the kind of success they had. Therefore, Your Excellency, as we go forward and as you lead us into the future, we are looking at security being a key enabler to the vision that you carry for our country. As you continue to envision a better Kenya, and what we need to do to build a better, more prosperous country, transform the economy, modernize our country from the third world into the first world like others have done. As you continue to help us refine the vision of the country, modernize our infrastructure, our roads, our airports, our seaports, our railways, increase our production of electricity, have enough water for irrigation, produce enough food, enter into manufacturing and agro-processing. Security is going to be a key.
Asenkwana ya yomuraiwense Dr. Samuel Ruto niga kwanere kirenka ekenene kiere kurangeria na gukora ebikaro n'abagambi asateba niga chigito muwaziri mukuru komen atare mashinani akore ebikaro iriamanye ari abananchi bagwetera na boigo enchira abananchi abo baganitie gukorerwa emirimo.
Mimi nimefurahi sana kuwakaribisha katika mkutano huu wa muhimu. Na nimeitisha mkutano huu kwa sababu nyinyi number 1 ni officers wa serikali mnaofanya kazi katika ofisi ya rais. Jambo la pili, nyinyi ni viongozi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na namba ya 3, nyinyi wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Kabla ya uchaguzi uliopita, mimi na timu yangu tulifanya what we called economic forums in every county. Tulienda kila county kuzungumza na wananchi, kuelewa vile wanavyotaka na kutueleza vile wangetaka serikali yao iendeshwe na ni mambo gani ya muhimu. Na ndio kwa sababu hiyo ile mpango tunayoendesha kama serikali mukasikia inaitwa bottom up. Bottom up ni kwa sababu imeanza chini. Na bottom up is not a slogan. Bottom up is not a tactic. Bottom up is a strategy ya vile ya kushughulikia mambo yanayohusu wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Kwa ile mipango yote ambayo tunatekeleza kama serikali, mambo ya elimu, mambo ya kilimo, mambo ya afya, mambo yale mengine yote ambayo tunayotekeleza, tunaelekezwa na vile tutashughulikia mwananchi wa kawaida pale chini. That is our strategy. Na ndio leo nimekuja hapa na tumefungua ripoti. Vile mulisikia nilieleza waziri Murkomen kwamba yeye na team yake PSS pamoja na team yake yote waende mashinani watengeneze jukwaa la wananchi kuzungumzia mambo ya usalama.
Mugavana wa kaunti ya Kericho Omoske Dr. Eric Mutai nigo ainyorete asa Kongo gose nigo ainyorete ni Kongo ki aigete bose bwe kamati ya Senate ekorigereria obotumiki bwe chibesa irikwerera chisababu chiogokiana kwenibo ase kaunti ya Kericho. Munyakirogo bwe kamati eyo Omoske Moses Kajwang nigo atagete kumanya bene ekeirerete kaunti eyo gotiga gutumika chinchira chekerero anamuno gusangiriria enibo na gochaka gutumika ebitabu egento ya turubanire okumanya bene enibo ye county eyo.
I think we were all present when certain allegations were made. Those allegations are not in this report. So what we deal with now is just reconciliation and a proper schedule and an assurance that you are paying the right people, an assurance that you are paying when payments are due, and an assurance that you are not borrowing from these deposits and retentions account to do other things.
The following measures have been undertaken institutionalized. Number one, the county government has commenced a complete reconciliation of the deposit and retention ledger, which includes preparing a detailed aging analysis of build-ups and retentions. Number two, linking each balance to specific contracts, suppliers, or performance guarantees. This exercise is ongoing, and to this end, the CCM Finance has appointed a team to oversee development of master register fluctuations money, as shown in Annex 50. But then the accountant tells me that, let me ask the accountant to say something on it.
We have instituted these controls touching on retention, and now we are maintaining a retention register and a control ledger for each department. That is what we have.
If I was to design a system, that would be very possible. Is it that if IFMIS cannot do that?
Honorable Chair, the integration between IFMIS and internet banking, there is a gap there, whereby when you deduct from IFMIS, it will show you've deducted 10% from a certain supplier. But when you move the money to the retention account, the details do not reflect in the bank statement.
Shauta kreista kai komine Isano na Ibere yure Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mubaso monche barigeria na rayu kure Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yobwe toro borigoborobya tomirane chikora ga Chinsa ikomi.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo and more for $4.50 per month.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering, ngwege libale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go water engineering. Ase ensema ya computing and informatics, ngwege libali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na we go na network system administration. Ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering, ngwege libali electrical installation na we go electrical engineering. Ase ensema ya cosmetology, ngwege libali hairdressing, we go mbabwate fashion design. Ase hospitality and tourism, ngwege libali food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isko ekiagera bonigase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school gulendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya. Tokende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mubungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo. We are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba. Ndege Tanganyika tabiri mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba go ikawe bursary in full inta abana baito